Hello everyone, Roancel is here of 1 Million Club. In this video, I will discuss IMG, International Marketing Group, one of our affiliates. IMG offers total financial solution. International Marketing Group or IMG is one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services marketing company in the Philippines and going worldwide. IMG focused on educating Filipinos about personal financial strategies. IMG is the marketing arm of companies in financial industry. Our partners are providers of healthcare, life insurance, investment or mutual funds, real estate. We also have providers of non-life insurance and asset preservation. IMG is patterned in the system of WFG or World Financial Group. World Financial Group is more than 30 years in the US. Our crusade, we want to deliver the world's financial wake-up call, changing people from spenders to savers. Maraming Pinoy ang walang ipon. Maraming Pinoy ang di makapag-retire dahil walang ipon. Maraming baon sa utang. We educate Filipinos to help them understand the value of saving and investing money. We teach people personal financial strategies. Our vision, to create the new industry, where everyone is able to earn what the wealthy are earning, bringing the secrets of the wealthy to all. Everyone has the right to become wealthy if they have the right information. Maraming masipag na Pinoy, pero marami ang hirap pa rin sa pera. Kaya naman we share the right information because we believe that hardworking people deserve to understand how money works. Our mission, no family left behind and creating wealth for families. Maraming Pinoy ang OFW. Kaya naman sayang ang sakripisyo na malayo sa pamilya kung walang naiipon. We believe that learning how money works is part of taking care of your family. In IMG, we provide financial solution. We teach people 3 powerful financial concepts. First is we teach people how to build solid financial foundation. We teach the value of having savings and investments, having emergency fund, that one should eliminate bad debt, and one should have proper life and health protection. We also teach the importance of increasing your cash flow. Second is we teach the X-curve concept, the importance of financial planning. And third, we teach the rule of money or the power of compound interest. We teach how money works. IMG also provides business solution. But first, discuss natin tax computation. Isa kasi sa advantage in doing business is the tax. Pag business, bago ka i-tax, pwede mong ibawas mga expenses like gasoline and oil and asset depreciation like car amortization. Pero pag employee ka, subject sa tax yung gross pay mo. Di pwede i-deduct expenses mo like transportation expenses. In business, we are in the distribution revolution. Sabi nga, today, distribution controls the manufacturer. For example, ang SM, distributor siya. Halimbawa na lang sa SM Supermarket. Ang daming supplier or manufacturer ang nagde-deliver ng item sa SM. Ang may control ay SM kasi maraming branches ang SM. McDonald's is another example of distributor. Actually, McDo is the #1 toy store dahil sa dami ng Happy Meals na nabebenta. Jollibee and Mercury Drug are other examples. In the financial industry, those who have more distribution will control the market. Like SM, McDo, Jollibee, and Mercury Drug, IMG is also a distributor. We are the distributor of financial products. One of your options is to become a broker of IMG and do IMG business. We will help you increase your cash flow. Using our system, build an IMG business as big as your commitment and vision. Kung employee ka and you're looking for other sources of income, you can do IMG business. Earn as a broker, local and all over the world. Sa IMG, para ka nag-franchise sa dami ng partner companies. If you are an IMG member, eto yung ilan sa benefits. First, you bypass middleman, become your own financial expert. Second, take advantage of IMG's entrepreneurial program. You have access in our trainings about business and personal financial strategies. And we also have travel incentives, recognition, and rewards, great compensation program. Now, ano ba mga options mo? Option 1, client. Take advantage of IMG strategies to help you move toward financial independence. Di ka kailangan magpa-member sa IMG. This option is for those who want to save and invest. Option 2, become an IMG member to learn more of financial solutions for your family. Take advantage of IMG's personal financial strategies trainings. Become your own financial expert. Ang advantage ng option na to, you have access sa IMG trainings about personal financial strategies. Option 3, become an IMG member as your second career or as business owner. Control your time and create a career or business on your terms. If you are an employee, it is important that you have other sources of income. You can do IMG business part-time. 4 reasons why people join IMG. First, for financial education. Second, wide market. Lahat naman kailangan ng financial solution and or business solution to improve their financial situation. Third, income earning potential. Fourth, opportunity to help others while helping yourself and your family. Mahirap pamasukan araw-araw. Mahirap walang ipon. Mas mahirap ang malubog sa utang. So, first step is to educate yourself. Sabi nga, education without execution is nothing. So, first, decide which options are right for you. And second, email me at roan@1millionclub.com. A great opportunity only becomes great when you act on it.
1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video and if you want to learn more about investments. Thank you for watching this video.